And if you dead. And if you dead. And if you did, unsa ba? Hey everyone, my name is Butch Shalanto and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will teach you how to edit your pictures using Adobe Lightroom CC like a pro. Sometimes when we take pictures, nindot kaayo ang view pero pag abot sa picture, ngilad na siya. So that's when photo editing apps come in handy. And personally, I am using photo editing apps because that is like my way of showing people, the universe rather. That's my way of showing people that that's how I see the world. That's how I see the beauty of the world. I am using several photo editing apps. I have Snapseed, naapod ko'y Visco. I have RNI Films, which is very good for vintage looking photos. But my favorite of them all is the Adobe Lightroom CC. I like it very much because it's free, it's very easy to use, and the best thing about it is you can save your previous edits and you can make your own presets. Pwede dayon nimo magamit nga preset in editing other pictures in the future. Very first thing that you have to do is, of course, download the app, and it's free for both iOS and Android users. But if you want to avail of the premium version, you just have to pay a certain amount. So go ahead to App Store or Play Store and then type in Adobe Lightroom CC and then download. Now that you have already downloaded the app, we are ready to start. Okay guys, so let's open our app, Lightroom CC, and this is what it looks like. So first, we have to import the picture that we want to edit. So on the bottom right corner, just click on that icon, and I have already saved the picture nga ato ang i-edit sa ako ang favorites, and this is the photo. So first, since I upload my pictures on Instagram, gina-crop na ko siya first. Okay, loading siya. Okay, so 4 by 5 because that's the standard sa Instagram. Do it like this. And then light. So light, dili mo i-adjust ang kahayag or kangit-ngit sa imuhang picture. So we have exposure. So sa exposure, if your picture is hayag kaayo, pwede nimo decrease ang exposure kay para medyo mo dark siya. O kung dark rapod kay mo ang picture, you can increase your exposure to brighten it up. So since this photo is I think it needs a little bit of brightness. So let's increase the exposure to 40. Okay. The next contrast, dili ko na siya ginahilabdan. Highlight, since I like my pictures moody and dark, I bring highlights all the way down to -100. Okay. And then shadows. Dili ko ganahan nga na shadows akong picture. So, let's increase the shadows to +30. Okay. And then whites, let's also increase whites. Mga gamay lang, mga +10. Tapos ang atong black is i-decrease na to siya. Og mga -12. Okay. That's it for light. And then we can go to color. So sa color, di rin nato i-adjust ang colors ato ang picture. So first, temperature. If you want your picture a little bit cooler, bring your temperature down towards blue like this. So, medyo na siya warm. I mean, cool. If gusto ka medyo warm imong picture, like I do, so bring it up towards yellow. Gamay lang, mga +4. Okay. Next, tint. Gusto ko medyo reddish ang ako ang picture. So, ato siyang i-increase gamay ang atong tint towards purple. Mga +5. Okay. And then vibrance, let's increase vibrance just a little bit. Mga +6. And then saturation, if gusto ko nga bright gid kay imong picture, you can bring vibrance up and then saturation up. But I don't really like that. So, let's bring vibrance gamay lang mga ana. Okay, +9, +10. Tapos ang saturation, i-decrease nato siya og mga -5. Okay. And then let's go to mix. So there are 8 colors. We have red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, or aquamarine, blue, purple, and violet. So first, just look at your picture. Kung unsa ang mga pictures nga na, unsa ang mga colors nga naa sa imong pictures, maura pod ang imuhang i-touch. Maura pod ang imong hilabtan best. Ayaw na hilabti ang mga walay labot kay para dili maggubot. Okay. So sa atong picture, we have green, yellow, blue sa atong clouds, and then orange ang atong skin. So mura po na ang atong i-edit. So first, let's go to green. So first is hue. We have hue, saturation, and luminance. So sa atong hue, let's bring it up a little bit, mga +35. Okay. And then saturation, let's bring it down to -36, like that. And then luminance, let's bring it down also to, so medyo dark siya. -25 or -28. Okay, I think that's it for our green. Yellow, ang atong yellow, gusto ko nga medyo orange ang akong yellow. So, let's bring you down to -78, like that. And then, saturation, decrease na to gamay lang, mga -4. And then, luminance, ipa-bright na to gamay, mga +4 or +2. Okay, +2. Balik sa tag-green, guys, kay marag di ko ganahan kasi iyang pagka-green. Okay. Okay, like that. And then, orange, ang atong skin tone. So, di na ako ginahilabtan ang hue. Sa saturation lang tayo increase na to gamay, mga +7. Ug increase po na to ang luminance kay at least bahalag sa picture na lang taputi best. So, increase luminance to 8. And then, blue, ang atong clouds. So, gusto ko medyo dramatic. So, atong dalo ng atong hue to -35, and then saturation, decrease it also to negative mga 16, and then luminance, let's decrease it to -32. Okay, done. And then let's go to effects. We have clarity. Sa atong clarity, if you want your picture to be sharp, bring it up like that, sharp. Kung gusto po ka nga medyo dreamy ang imong picture, you can bring it down to mga -10, kana lang. And then, vignette or vignette. Vignette, yes. Yeah, I think that's pronounced as vignette. Vignette or vignette. That's vignette, silent G. You can thank me later. Okay, gusto ko dark ang iyahang palibot. So, mga -11. Okay. And then, human na to sa effects. Let's go back to light and then curve. So, what is curve? I don't really know how to explain this, but basically what it does is it gives you greater control over your tones and the contrast of your picture. Pak. English te. Pero gikopya ko rin sa Google. So, ang atong buhaton is magbuhat og tulo ka dot. 1, 2, 3. And then, if you bring the dots up like that, muhayag ang imuhang picture. And if you bring your dots down, mungit-ngit ang imuhang picture. So, what we're gonna do is, balik sa nato siya og normal. So, let's bring, kaya gusto mong ko dark akong picture, let's bring the first dot, gamay lang, ana. And then the last dot sa pinakataas, let's bring it down also. And then ang fourth nga dot, let's bring it down also just a little bit. Like that. And then, ang third nga dot, gamay lang pod. Ug ang second nga dot, gamay lang. And oops. Oh, I'm so sorry. And voila! That is our edited picture. So, if you want to compare your original picture and ang imuhang edited picture, just tap the picture and hold. So, tap and hold and let go. So, this is our before and after. Before and after. Oh my goodness. Can you see how big of a difference? So, ingana ra siya, guys. And if you want to make your own presets, naay 3 dots sa taas sa imuhang picture. Just click on that and then say tap create preset. Hatagan mo siya og name. So, ang title is, unsa may ngalan ano atong preset? I'm so amazing. Lol. Okay, I'm so amazing. And then, done. So, muna na siya imuhang preset, guys. Na-save na to siya sa imong preset. Say, for example, we are going to edit another picture. So, mag-import taglaing na picture. Let's say, this picture. No. This one. Okay? So, sa ubos, guys, adto ka dito sa imuhang presets. So, as you can see, daghan na kay kog mga presets. Unya, mga joker kay ang pangalan kay wala ko nakahibalo nga dili day pwede ilisan ang name. So, that's why be careful sa imong ipangalan sa imong presets. So, na ako'y preset nga pinkish, nude, moody sunflower. Napag isa ka moody sunflower, lami siyang bayhana, pack. And then, gwapa kaayo ko. So, gwapa gid kay ko. Char. O, narang ato ang preset, I'm so amazing. So, that's it. With one click, edited na imuhang picture. This is your before and after. That's it, guys. It's very, very easy. Maybe it could get a little bit tricky in the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, o perminti lang gid ka mag-practice o edit, it will be so easy. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you liked this video. And if you did, and if you did, unsa ba? I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please give this video a massive thumbs up. And once you try this application out, please comment your edited pictures in the comment section down below, because I would really love to see all your edited pictures. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye!